So what's something that that you do that people are not aware of?
That I do, well, I mean, we talked about the conservatorships. And that's a very niche area. Special needs law is what I like to call it. So a lot of people aren't aware that I do special needs law. That's my niche. I've worked with adults and children with disabilities most of my life. Like I said, I have a healthcare background. So I did work at Children's Hospital, Orange County. Before I went into law school, and I worked at Long Beach Memorial Medical Center. And I have a healthcare administration degree.
Right.
With my strong healthcare background, I run into doctors even today as a trust attorney, and a lot of people may not realize that trusts have a lot to do with healthcare, especially when it comes to the healthcare directives or the conservatorships. Because in order for us to obtain a conservatorship, you have to have a declaration from a physician. So, it's really cool to see some of the physicians I've met before now see me in the position as an attorney. And yeah, that's what I do, special needs law. And I think that's why I got into it as well, because of the healthcare background.
So walk me through, and maybe I'm going to put you on the spot. Like, so I think I referred you to someone. So like, what are the questions you would ask this person, or figuratively anyone that has a special needs child?
Whether they, number one, have a plan put together for their financial needs in case something happens to mom and dad.
You and I both, the answer is probably going to be no.
The answer is probably going to be no, absolutely. And that's where I would recommend some type of planning. So an estate plan, it's a broad term. It really covers everything. It covers the financial planning for their kids with the disability, or even kids without one. So that's definitely what I would ask them first. Do you have some type of financial plan put together? How are they going to take care of their needs, their financial needs, if something were to happen to you, fall ill or pass away? So that's my first question to them. And secondly, who is able to make legal decisions on their behalf if they're already adults? If they're not adults yet, I always ask them, do you have someone in mind aside from mom and dad? Because we know mom and dad are always going to take care of their kids. But do we have someone, an alternate? Do we have a sibling that's responsible? Do we have an aunt or uncle, someone young enough that hopefully would survive mom and dad to care for their disabled child?